Up gang, what's up YouTube? This your boy Nicholas. I'm back with another video. As you can see, man, in today's video, yo, what's good YouTube? This your boy Nicholas Beatmaker. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I want to show you this beat I was making. So I started with the bass guitar. As you can see here, I started with this bass guitar. You know what I'm saying? So I started with this bass guitar and I felt like I made this and it was catchy. So if I can open the channel, I can see it's from the drum kit, sexy classic bass guitar. So if you guys you need this drum kit is Cash Kuben. Most of the producers they use this bass, it's for sexy drill, of course. So if you want this drum kit, make sure you um click make sure you comment and tell me if I should make a link so that I can drop the drum kit, and then you can download it from my Telegram. But anyways, as you can see, I got the FX analyzer, and I got so I tried to use reverb on the bass, but it was like overpowering inside the mix. And I have FX analyzer. Let me play the bass one more time and we see where it's playing on these plugins. So you can see it's playing close to between 30 and 40 decibels, minus 30 and 40 decibels. So let me try to turn on reverb and we see how this reverb is affecting the bass. You understand? Let me turn it on FX reverb 2. So most people they have it on FS Studio. So we also have it on FS Studio Mobile. FX reverb 2 is the best. So I don't know, but I feel like this reverb is overpowering my bass. Let me turn it off and play it one more time. So I started with this bass and I went to the snare after the bass. And the nicest thing about the snare, I added distortion on it. I added distortion because I wanted to punch. I wanted this snare to punch. And after the snare, I went to the kick. So if I can open my kick channel, you can see I have the FX analyzer and I have the FX compressor. And I made a preset for this kick. As you can see, if you don't know how to make a preset, you just have to save a preset. If you are mastering a certain sound and then you feel like it's good, you can do it again. Then you save the preset so that next time you don't repeat the same thing from scratch. You understand? So I added FX compressor on this kick and FX analyzer. Let me try to preview the kick alone and see where it's hitting on the FX analyzer. As you can see, it's hitting below minus 30 and minus 40 decibels, because if it starts to hit above minus 30 decibels, it will distort, I'm telling you. And another thing which I left out is the fact that I'm using A minor natural. As you can see here, I'm using A minor natural and I'm using 195 bpm. Is the fastest bpm I've ever, like, it's the fastest bpm. Mostly of my beats is 140, 120. So after the kick, I went to add the hi hats, on this beat. This is how they sound. Okay. So after the hi hats, I added the open hats, and I added another open hat, and I added this more percussion sound. And then after the drums and the bass, oh, by the way, before I forget, I added this bass guitar because like I made a copy and paste, and I added this bass guitar, which is so dope. Let me play it for you. The When I made a copy and paste, everything is the same on that sexy drill bass. Everything is the same, as you can see. And then I came here on out gain on the FX limiter to decrease it a little bit because the FX reverb too, it's making it sound with more power, because if I turn it off, there's a slight difference. But anyways, after the bass guitar, I came to the um keyboard. So my chord progression is 151. You can see A4, A5, and E 151, and then also here I went to G, back to E, and back to A. Yeah, so this right here is what makes it emotional. It's what makes this chord emotional. So as you can see, I used FX equalizer to cut the lows on this instrument, and I use FX graphic EQ to cut some of the highs, and I made a copy and paste and added these strings. And if I can play them together, so damn good. And then last but not least, it was this sound. It's like a music box. It's like a bell. It's one of the bells. Let me play them together, these three, maybe with a bass. Yeah. This beat is fire, man. It's fire. If I can open my mastering channel, you can see what I have here. It's only FX analyzer, and yeah, only FX analyzer. shaper, wave shaper, what are you doing, wave shaper? Wave shaper can make things sound like too loud, you know. And if I could compare wave shaper and distortion or compressor, I would rather use compressor, you know, because wave shaper makes everything sound too loud. Let's see if I can manipulate the compressor here. So yeah, man, I just want to play the full beat. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on another video. Let me play the full beat. Yeah, man, I wanted to show this beat which I was making. Yeah, so yeah, see you on the next video.
We're gonna start this beat. Yeah.